Welcome back, Solid Rock Entertainment family, with your host on the Central and Treasure Coast, Sam G, as we continue to journey into this Burning Spear album, No Destroyer. On the previous video, I said that the next track, which was track number 6, would be the tune entitled Mommy, but my correction, I self-correct myself on that one. Track number 6 is actually a tune entitled Obsession, okay? Track number 7 is Mommy, which is the first single to be released to promote this album, okay? But yes, this tune that we're gonna get into, yes, many might say, or don't want to say, that we're in a recession. But let's see what Burning Spear have to say about this obsession. In comes. Bass line, I'm telling you, is pumping, man. Heavy bass line and drum action, wicked. Yeah, so we're gonna stick with this musical vibe. You tell one lie today, you tell another lie another day. You cause so much confusion, because people look at people with a bad eye, with a bad eye, with a bad eye. Whoa. If your lies connect in some ways, then you will keep on telling lies every day. You will keep on have no other way. Believe me, I know that you got to pay. You got to take full responsibility for your action. Full responsibility. Is that thing can make you lose your mind. Too much obsession, too much. You should check up on yourself before you start to run wild. Run, but check up on yourself before you start to run wild. You can't blame no one for telling you lies. You shoot me in the back, you shoot me in the front. Why you shoot me? What the hell are you thinking that I'm another run? Yourself. You got to do for yourself. You got to. Them coming out of the woodwork and showing themselves. Sometime in life, some rats is so hard to catch. Some rats. If you put the right bait on the trap, you will catch that rat. The right bait, you'll catch the rat. You got to take full responsibility. You got to take full responsibility for your action. You got to take full responsibility for your action. You got to take it. Remember, you say what you say. You say what you say. Remember rhythm and bass, I'm telling you. Can't go to waste. Uplift your musical taste because the right music right now is in your face. That was Obsession. Do what you do. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. The message of the Rasta man, that's what they bring, is to tell everyone to do the right thing. Saying, yes, I'm going to tell you something. This tune right here, the drum and the bass, man, wicked. For this track, the composer, Winston Rodney, which is Burning Spear. The lyricist, Winston Rodney. Background vocals, Maureen Thomas. Bass guitar, Dave Selim Richley. Drums, Carl Wright. Rhythm guitar, Linford Lenny Carby. Saxophone, Jerry Johnson. Songwriter, Winston Rodney Burning Spear. Sound engineer, Chris Seringa. Trombone, Jason Jackson. And trumpet, Greg Glassman. Yes, and that was track number 6, giving you your musical fix and removing all the ticks. Yes, and this is a good musical tune picks. Yeah, Obsession. Even though some don't want to talk about this recession, come here, tell you, say it put on enough aggression. And the money in our pocket, it'll take full possession. Yeah, so yes, keep rolling. Keep rolling with your brother here, man, on Solid Rock Entertainment. Thanks for all the support. Thank you for all the support. As we continue on this musical journey with this No Destroyer album from Burning Spear's brand new catalog, brand new tune, brand new album on his catalog, released August 18th, 2023. We're going to keep it moving and we're going to go into track number 7. Yeah, where I said before, the tune entitled Mommy, which is the first single that promoted this album, and we're going to get into it in the next video. So keep rolling with your brother. Yeah, because there's none other than your host on the Central and Treasure Coast, Sam G. Okay, keep the vibes rolling.